Ever notice those older guys in China moving like they're decades younger? It's incredible. They're not just fit, they move with a strength and stability that puts most 20-year-olds to shame. People think it's genetics or some ancient secret, but it's not. The real secret? Static holds. Controlled isometric exercises. No joint grinding. No heavy weights. Just smart, focused training. These are the same techniques physical therapists use to restore movement and rebuild joints. They reset your body, bypassing the usual wear and tear of aging. Today I'll show you 3 powerful holds that can rebuild your body's armor. No dumbbells required. Ready to move strong and pain-free for decades. Let's start with the first exercise. First up, the single leg RDL hold. This move might look simple at first glance, but don't be fooled. It's a foundational exercise that challenges your balance, strength, and coordination all at once. If you're looking to build a body that's resilient and capable, this is where you start. Most think it's just a balance drill, but it's a powerhouse move for your hamstrings, glutes, and core. Every muscle from your foot to your hip is working overtime to keep you steady, and your core is firing to stabilize your spine. Here's how to do it. Stand tall, feet together. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling, lengthening your spine. Lift one foot a few inches off the ground. Don't worry about how high, just enough so you're balancing on one leg. Slight bend in your standing knee. Don't lock it. This protects your joints and helps you engage the right muscles. Hinge at your hips, not your back. Think about sending your hips behind you, keeping your chest proud. Push your butt back like you're closing a car door with it. This cue helps you find the right movement pattern and keeps your lower back safe. Keep your spine long, chest up, and extend your free legs straight behind you, toes down. Imagine reaching your heel toward the wall behind you, creating a straight line from your head to your heel. Hips stay square to the floor, no rotation. If your hips start to twist, pause, and reset. This is where the real challenge lies. Generate tension in your standing leg and core. Imagine rooting your foot into the ground, gripping the floor with your toes. Squeeze your glute, pull your belly in, keep your back flat. This is what keeps your pelvis stable and your lower back protected. Use a wall or chair for balance if you need it. There's no shame in using support. What matters is practicing good form. Week 1, 3 sets of 20 seconds per leg, using support. Focus on feeling the muscles work and keeping your balance steady. Focus on perfect form, hips level, back flat, quality over quantity, always. Week 2, balance on your own, 30 seconds per leg. You'll notice your stability improving, even if it's just a little at first. Week 3, add a weight in the opposite hand, 45 seconds per side. This extra challenge wakes up even more stabilizer muscles. Stay more upright if you're new. Don't force the hinge. It's better to move well than to move far. Don't rush. This isn't about reps or muscle burn. It's about deep structural strength. The longer you hold, the more your body learns. Every second you hold, your nervous system is rewiring for stability. You're teaching your body how to balance, react, and stay strong under pressure. If your hip rotates or back rounds, reset. Quality matters. Each rep is a chance to reinforce good habits. The goal is to own the position, not just survive it. You want to feel strong, stable, and in control from start to finish. Over time, you'll notice better balance, stronger glutes and hamstrings, and less knee pain. These changes might be subtle at first, but they add up. Your core works hard to keep your hips level. This protects your lower back in daily life. Think of it as armor for your spine. These holds look simple, but 20 seconds feels like forever when done right. That's when you know you're building real strength. Mastering them builds the foundation for pain-free movement at any age. It's not just about exercise, it's about moving well for life. Do this consistently, and you'll feel stronger and more confident, not just in your legs, but in everyday life. You'll notice it when you walk, climb stairs, or even just stand up from a chair. You'll stand on one leg to put on socks, walk up hills, and react faster if you trip. These are the real-world benefits that matter most. This is what keeps you independent as you age. The ability to move with confidence is priceless. Don't try to be a hero on day one. Just show up, hold the position, and let your body adapt. Progress comes from consistency, not from pushing too hard too soon. Focus on getting a little better each week. Track your progress, celebrate small wins, and trust the process. It's meditative, locked in, focused on your breath, feeling every muscle work. This is your time to connect with your body and build awareness. That's where real gains happen, mind and body working together. The more present you are, the more benefit you'll get. Ready? Grab a chair, find your balance, and start building your foundation. Remember, every great structure starts with a solid base. The single-leg RDL hold is your first step toward Shaolin-level control. Stick with it, and you'll be amazed at what your body can do. Next up, the classic plank. It's a move you've probably seen 100 times, but when you do it right, it becomes a powerful tool for building strength and resilience at any age. This isn't just a core move. When done right, it's a full-body tension builder. Every muscle from your shoulders to your toes is working together, creating a chain of strength. Start by getting on your forearms, with your elbows directly under your shoulders. Extend your legs straight back, feet hip-width apart, and press your heels away from you. Don't let your lower back sag. Squeeze your glutes, tuck your tailbone, and keep your spine flat. Imagine a straight line from your head to your heels. Here's a trick. Pull your elbows toward your toes, without actually moving them, to fire up your lats, abs, and chest. This creates even more tension and stability. Keep your head in line with your spine, and let your gaze fall a few inches ahead of your hands. This helps maintain alignment and prevents neck strain. Your whole body should feel tight, from fists to toes. Imagine you're bracing for a gentle push. Every muscle is switched on. For week 1, start with a knee plank. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, focusing on perfect form. Quality always beats quantity. In week 2, progress to a full plank. Knees off the ground, body in a straight line, and hold for 20 seconds. Feel the difference as your strength grows. By week 3, aim for 45 seconds. It's not about pushing through pain, but about holding strong, steady tension. If you start shaking, that's your nervous system adapting. Good sign. It means your body is learning to recruit more muscle fibers and get stronger. Breathe slow and controlled. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Controlled breathing helps you maintain tension and focus. If your form breaks, reset. 2 perfect 20-second holds beat 1 sloppy 45. Never sacrifice quality for time. The plank teaches you to generate tension on command, protecting your joints in daily life. This skill carries over to lifting groceries, climbing stairs, or even getting up from a chair. It's not just about abs. Shoulders, back, glutes, and quads all work together. This is total body armor, building resilience from the inside out. Stick to the progressions. Don't rush. Consistency is key. Each week builds on the last, and your body adapts with every session. Every second with good form is a win. Celebrate those small victories. They add up to big changes. Over time, you'll notice better posture, stronger movement, and more confidence in your daily life. The benefits go far beyond the mat. This is about building a body that lasts, not just one that looks good. You're investing in your future strength and independence. Get down, lock in your form, and feel every muscle fire. Embrace the challenge and know you're getting stronger with every rep. This is how you build strength that lasts a lifetime. One plank, one breath, 1 second at a time. Last hold, the pike. This is the move that brings everything together, challenging your body in ways you might not expect. It's not just about strength, it's about control, balance, and building a foundation that supports you in every movement, every day. It's a game changer for shoulder stability and core strength. The pike hold lights up muscles you didn't even know you had, forging a connection between your upper and lower body. Start on hands and knees, palms shoulder-width apart. Take a moment to feel the ground beneath your hands. This is your base. Lift your hips up, straighten your legs as much as you can. Make an upside-down V. Imagine your body forming a strong, stable bridge. Don't dump weight into your wrists. Push the floor away. Feel the energy travel up through your arms and into your shoulders. Arms straight but not locked. Shoulders strong. Head between arms, looking at your feet. Core tight. Back flat. Every muscle is working to keep you steady. Week 1, knees on the floor, 15 to 20 seconds. Focus on form, not just time. Quality always beats quantity. Focus on shoulder and core stability. Feel your muscles brace and support you, even if you're shaking a little. Week 2, knees off, full pike, 25 seconds. You'll notice your balance and strength improving already. Week 3, full 40-second hold. This is where you start to feel the transformation in your upper body. Advanced, feet on a chair or bench for more intensity. Don't rush, own each progression. Master the basics before you level up. The deeper your hold, the stronger your shoulders and core. Each second you hold, you're building resilience and power. This is how you bulletproof your upper body without injury. You're not just getting stronger, you're getting smarter about how you move. The pike hold teaches your body to stabilize under load safely. It's functional strength you'll use in real life. Forget endless push-ups. This keeps you strong, mobile, and pain-free as you age. It's about longevity, not just muscle. If wrists bother you, spread your fingers and grip the floor. Adjust your hand position until it feels right for you. Over time, this strengthens wrists and hands. You'll notice less discomfort and more confidence in your grip. Don't hold your breath. Controlled breathing keeps your nervous system calm. Inhale through your nose. Exhale slow and steady. It's not just shoulders and arms, your whole body is working. From your toes to your fingertips, everything is engaged. Stick with it for better posture, stronger shoulders, and more confidence. You'll stand taller and move with purpose. This is Shaolin-style training. Simple, brutally effective. No fancy equipment, just your body and your willpower. Get down, lift those hips, and hold. Every rep is a step toward a stronger, more resilient you. The pike hold is your ticket to shoulders of steel and a core of iron. Embrace the challenge and watch your body transform. You've just learned how to rebuild strength without wrecking your joints. That's the real Shaolin secret. Smart, isometric holds. No need to crush yourself at the gym or grind through painful reps. Train smarter, not harder. Build your foundation from the inside out. Pick one hold today. Hold it for 30 seconds. Just start. You'll feel the difference. More stability, more power, even after one session. Subscribe for more ways to stay strong, mobile, and pain-free at any age. The Shaolin path is open. Take the first step.